All right, here's our ingredients. We have chicken broth, lemon juice, olive oil, lemon zest, minced garlic, lemon pepper seasoning, kosher salt, cornstarch, butter, and 2 large chicken breasts. All right, now let's go ahead and split our chicken breast. We are cutting it lengthwise the long way. It's gonna make 2 chicken breasts out of it. So we're gonna have 4 in all. So just remember to carefully and evenly as possible try to split your chicken breast. And as you go down, kind of turn your knife as the chicken goes, and it'll come out just as evenly like so. Check us out. Yeah, one is a little thicker, but that's all right. We'll just cook it a little bit longer. All right, let's go ahead and mix up our seasoning. We're gonna add our lemon pepper seasoning, add in our kosher salt, and then let's add in our cornstarch. And then we're just gonna mix it up, make sure everything is combined, everything is well mixed in. And this is going to be our seasoning for our lemon pepper chicken. Now let's season our chicken, and we're just gonna generously season each and every chicken breast. Make sure each one is coated and well seasoned. So let's just continue to get those seasons. And remember, family, hit the like button, hit the comments, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Now for the other side of the chicken, like I say, we doing both sides. So let's flip your chicken and give the other side a generous coat, just like you did before. And once you get your seasoning in there, you just pat it into the chicken, as you see me doing here. Make sure all that seasoning gets seeped into that chicken, so we can have some flavorful, delicious lemon pepper chicken breast. Yeah. Now hit your pan with some olive oil, and we're gonna bring that to a heating point. Once we get to the heating point, we're going to drop in these beautiful, look at them chicken cutlets. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna go ahead and drop it in the pan, and we're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until we get a nice little coat, nice little sear coat like that. Yeah, there we go. Let's check the other one out, just like that. And that's what you want right there. Now that we have removed our chicken breast, let's go ahead and add in some garlic. Saute that for about a minute, and let's go ahead and add in our lemon juice. Let's let this lemon juice start to deglaze our pan. Let's scrape the bottom, get any of the little brown pieces up. Now let's go ahead and add our chicken broth, and we're gonna do the same thing. Just continue to scrape the bottom of your pan and loosen any of the flavor, I call it flavor, any of the flavor from the pot. Now let's add in our 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter that is. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and get that mixed in, and just allow the butter to melt. And we're creating a delicious garlic, lemon pepper, butter sauce. Yeah. Now that our sauce is done, let's go ahead and add our chicken, and let's just let that chicken soak up some of that delicious sauce. So let's go ahead and just mix in your chicken, make sure it's covered with some of the sauce. And we're gonna do the same for each chicken breast. Just let the sauce seep in to that delicious, juicy, tender chicken breast. Yeah. And this is what we got, family. This is what our plate look like. Let me get you a close up. Yeah, there it is. When it's all said and done, it is all said and done. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh so delicious lemon pepper chicken breast.